Interpreting the technical specifications for the Bosch Rexroth CDB control units. This unit uses multi-Ethernet communication. It weighs 0.74 kilograms. It has safe motion technology installed. It has 6 interfaces. 2 of the interfaces are multi-encoder. The CDB02.1B has 14 digital inputs. It has 2 analog inputs. This is a double-axis control section. It supports MSM, MS2N, and MSK motor encoders. It has a max output current of 500 milliamperes. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth control unit sales and replacements.